Every year, 14th June is observed as World Blood Donor Day across the globe. The day is an initiative by the World Health Organization (WHO). The aim of this day is to spread awareness about blood donation and the need for safe blood and blood products. Also, it is celebrated to appreciate the contribution of voluntary blood donors in saving lives. In Meghalaya, the day is observed through various activities by various organizations in collaboration with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong and Meghalaya State Blood Council Shillong. Voluntary blood donation camp was organized at Blood Center Jowai Civil Hospital by Jing Seng Samla Balang Presbyterian Jowai. There were 9 volunteers who came forward and 8 of them donated their blood. A similar camp was also held in Tura Civil Hospital organized by the SAFE Tura, wherein 8 volunteers donated their blood to mark the event. To mark this special day, today and in collaboration with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, the Red Ribbon Clubs RRC of St. Edmund's College, Shillong and of Thomas Jones College, Jowai have also organized posters and slogan competition. The outbreak of the current pandemic and a complete lockdown has led to the shortage of blood supply in all the licensed blood centers in the state. This calls for an appeal to all healthy individuals between the age group of 18 years to 65 years to come forward and voluntarily donate their blood in order to prevent crisis.